In several of my previous videos, I reviewed AI agents that help automate tasks, but there are still plenty of limitations when it comes to AI agents. The AI solution I'm going to review in this video, however, is the closest replica of a real personal assistant that you can get. Except here, no human error is involved, and objectively, this AI tool is way smarter, more precise, and faster than a human specialist. In this video, we are going to take a look into Lindy. If you don't want an overly complicated explanation of Lindy, think of ChatGPT and Zapier having a baby. This baby is called Lindy. You connect Lindy to your Gmail, give it access to your inbox and calendar, and it does the rest for you. It can schedule meetings, look through your meetings, and help you prepare by analyzing information and giving you a summary in your requested format. With Lindy, you can connect your favorite applications, automate workflows with AI, and let your applications work together seamlessly, all powered by artificial intelligence. Lindy is a no-code platform that allows you to create a variety of AI assistants configured to different purposes and tasks. In simple terms, Lindy can easily handle automation tasks related to emails, calendar events, including booking meetings, and lead-related activities like scraping data, analyzing potential leads, and engaging with them. Unlike Zapier or similar automation tools, Lindy is AI-powered, meaning it can analyze tasks in a more intelligent, adaptive way. In this video, I'll show you how to create smart automations with Lindy in no time, figuratively speaking. And by the way, you can try this tool for free, no upfront payment. If you want to follow my steps, just click on the link in the description, and together, let's explore Lindy. Let's take a look at this incredible product. Let's dive deep. Before you begin using this tool, just sign up and grant the AI access to your Gmail. Click on sign up with Google, use your Gmail account and sign in. It works similarly to how you connect other applications to Gmail. You do not share your passwords or any other sensitive security information. You just grant access to the platform. You can also remove this access later from your Gmail settings. Once you're signed up and registered, you'll see this interface. To create a new Lindy, simply click on New Lindy and start from scratch or choose one of these templates. I'm going to click on See All Templates and take a look at this massive collection of templates for all kinds of purposes. Phone agents, insights generators, AI website summarizers. Just browsing through these options can spark countless ideas for automating and simplifying your daily workflow. I personally like two of these templates, Lead Generator and Lead Outreacher. This is something we'll be testing today. Let's begin with Lead Generator. I'm going to click on Lead Generator, Add. I'm going to connect to my Gmail. I'm going to click on Continue and continue once again. Boom. The entire process is extremely simple. It's super easy. I just connected to my Gmail, and from here, I will give Lindy a task to find top rated plumbers in Palm Harbor, where I live. Probably not a typical request, but this is something I am interested in. So this is my prompt. I'm going to send a message. Boom. Lindy is working and I can see the format. Look how neat this is. Not only did I find this contact information quickly, but it's also nicely organized. Let's click on View Spreadsheet. Each user has a unique ID, first and last name, job title, LinkedIn profile, and most importantly, email address. Just look at this beautifully organized data. Let's now create new Lindy. This is going to be the most exciting part of my overview. I'm going to create Lead Outreacher. And here I can customize the flow. I can pick a trigger. We're going to remove this one. We'll keep Google Sheets. I'm going to copy and paste my Google Sheet ID. I only have one sheet, so I will keep this section empty. Now let's click on first outreach email. I can select a model. For this particular task, I think GPT-4o mini should work. Let's check this. I want to see what the confirmation message looks like. Here we provide the AI with instructions, price, inquiry, body, write a personalized email based on the information you have, plumber name.
I'm interested in being related services, your rates.
I changed the prompt slightly. I added this part to the prompt, signature Ivan KV. Okay, so I don't need to overcomplicate this part. I'm going to remove this section. I mean, I'm not planning to send out follow-up emails. I'm just going to delete this part and delete and delete. I'm going to remove Slack. I'm going to create an event. Prompt AI, remind me when this task is completed, all day, no recurrence. Okay, that works. So it looks like my flow is ready and I am going to click save. Boom, saved. Your changes were saved successfully. Let's test the flow. I'm going to click on test, new row added, Google Sheets, trigger the event outside Lindy to begin the test. All right, let's create another line and this is supposed to be the trigger. Let's see. New row added. All right. Let's turn the lead outreacher on. We got our first notification. New lead notification. Oh, this is my test email. Let's click on send email. Boom. Event created successfully. All right, so it looks like our flow is working. Lindy has created this event for me. So the test was successful. And this was the email sent by Lindy. So the flow is working. Everything is automated. Super easy, guys. It's super easy. Let me add another line and see if my trigger is going to get triggered. Boom. Let's take a look. Look at this new lead information. As soon as another lead added, I'm getting a notification. Remember the confirmation switched. Now the system is asking me to confirm my intentions before it sends out an email. I'm going to click on send email and boom, another event is created successfully. Take a look at this. I asked the agent to request quotes from these plumbers. I use the data exported through the lead generator, and now the lead outreacher is using that same data to reach out to people, to request quotes. I took a ready-made template, I customized it, and now I have my own unique flow. And I can add additional features. I can set a timer, for example, and I suggest you use the timer, especially if you're reaching out to a number of different people. Just play around with Lindy. It's super easy. I'm extremely surprised how easy the entire process is. All the emails have been sent automatically and I can see what they look like by checking the outbox of my email. Of course, I can improve the flow, and of course I can improve this template by giving more directions to the AI, but even this quick task was executed flawlessly. Lindy AI is a massive tool with infinite potential. This product can 10x your impact and help you earn 1000x more if, of course, you put your mind to it and begin using Lindy's to analyze data, engage in intelligent discussions with people on your behalf, find and leverage unique and exclusive data, and in general, do the heavy lifting, leaving you more space for creative thinking and strategic planning. And you can try Lindy for free. You can follow the link in the description. You'll get 400 free credits to start with, which is plenty to explore. Give Lindy a try. I'm done for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.